Pueblo Hatch green chili. Seeds gotten from a lady from Solar Rose Coffees in Pueblo when their Hatch chilies won second place in the Pueblo Hatch Chili Festival. So anyway, I'm in Central Florida and they're just going nuts. They're getting big and fat and huge. Look at that guy. Look at those guys. This plant isn't very big. It is a year old now. I was hoping it'd get taller and branch out, but it hadn't. My sweet bananas have a ant farming problem. They're farming aphids right into it and sucking the sap. You can see the sap on the leaves. Sap suckers. I healed up my potatoes. These are the white potatoes, russets. We had a good rain last night, so it got some holes through the leaves. But I healed them up for this first heal. I healed up my red potatoes as well. They're just producing. And my hatch, whatever you want to call it, cucumber nest. It's kind of like pixie sticks with sticks. Is doing way better than I ever thought it would. Look down in there. That's just one vine. They're just going nuts. Nuts. And then, talk about lettuce every day. Spoiled salads. Really gourmet salads. Cilantro. I make the best barbacoa I've ever eaten, and this is what I use for lettuce. The tomato vine. Cameras never get what the eyes see. Tomatoes are doing great after a good trimming. Quite a few greens hanging, again with pixie sticks and palm fronds. This cherry tomato is literally consuming a lot of my organic fertilizers. It's producing so much. This guy's an experiment with coffee grounds as a substrate, like straight coffee ground in the bucket. Depleted, already used. And boy howdy, that nitrogen has made it really produce a lot of fruit. Let's just see if it ripens. Really super happy about my McElhaney's. One of them guys. That evil looking assassin bastard trying to kill me. Anyway. McElhaney pepper's doing really good. That one too. This was a cutting Goliath bush. And for now, last, but certainly not least, and I have more, but my Mammoth Japs jalapenos, they're really taking off, doing well.